A quick one, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of frequently visited on Safari. So if you're using the Safari browser and you have a lot of tabs open in your Safari browser and you want to get rid of them, let's say all these frequently visited tabs on your Safari browser and you want to get rid of them. So in this video, I am going to show you how to get rid of your frequently visited tabs on your Safari browser. They are easy to do, and if you follow the steps I'm about to share with you in this video, you'll be able to customize your Safari homepage or what your Safari browser shows when you open the browser. So let's say you don't know how to open your Safari browser. So the first thing you want to do is you can either go to your iPhone home screen and search for Safari, and if it is not there, all you need to do is come to Hype Library here and search for Safari. Or alternatively, while on your home screen, all you need to do is tap on the search button, that is the three dots, and search for Safari, and then tap Safari. Once you tap that, this is going to open the Safari app. Now, this is definitely what you're going to see. This. Once you open the Safari browser, and these are your most frequently visited tabs that you want to get rid on your Safari browser. Now, tap on this plus icon at the bottom left. Then this is what you're going to see. If you have a lot of privacy report or favorite here, you may need to scroll down the page until you get to the edit button. So once you get to the edit button, tap edit. And once you tap that, there is an option called frequently visited under customized start page. So this is how yours is going to look. So this is definitely what you're going to see. So if you choose to maybe to take your iCloud settings from all your logged in account, including your Mac, iPhone, or iPad, and you use these settings in iCloud, this is going to show your frequently visited pages on your iPhone, including Mac, iPad, and your iPhone. Now tap on this plus icon, as I said, tap edit, and make sure you turn off use start page on all devices. This is very important. And then the next thing is when you want to talk of frequently visited is turn off this. And with that, just click on this. So you can just go ahead now and delete all these browsers or tabs. So once all these are deleted, your frequently visited page will no longer come up whenever you open the Safari browser. So this is what I mean by that. Let me just go ahead now and open the Safari browser once again. You can see. So instead of this to show my startup page, this, which are my frequently visited page, this is what the Safari browser is showing. It's showing my last visited page. And I can also choose to delete this option so that the Safari browser would come up with a blank page whenever I open my tab. You can see recently closed tab is not going to show. Close iCloud tab, you may not want that. So suggesting you may turn off that, report turn off that, share with you turn off that, and then turn off all this and then come back. Let's close this Safari, then open it again. So this is what you're going to see. Instead of your Safari browser to come up with this, your frequently visited page, it's only going to come up with this empty tab where you can start surfing the net. So this is how to get rid of frequently visited pages on your Safari browser. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.